Hello and welcome to SA News Canada. Today we bring you to witness a celebration beyond magic. We are here to witness what goes behind for the preparation of 75th Avataran Divas of Jagat Guru Sant Rampalji Maharaj. But who is Sant Rampalji Maharaj and why do millions of people revere him and why do they believe him to be the supreme God and his incarnation? We're about to find and unfold all our questions and answer and to witness what goes behind the preparation for all this. As soon as we enter the Namdan Center here in Brampton, Canada, I can see a number of people getting ready for their final prep for the celebration that is about to begin in a few hours. And the aroma here is heavenly. So let's talk with few of the devotees of Sant Rampalji Maharaj and find out what is going behind the scene for the preparation of this mega spiritual event. Hello. I see a lot is being happening here and I see a lot is being prepared. Can you walk us through behind all the preparation that is going on for today's celebration?
Yeah, so by the grace of our Guruji, we are preparing Halwa Ram here. And then apart from that, we have also prepared Dal Ram, Roti Ram, Chawal Ram, Laddu Ram, Jalebi Ram, and Bundi Ram. A lot is, yeah. So we have cooked a lot.
Exactly. The aroma here is divinely, and I heard that here it's only clarified butter is being used, and there is no use of refined oil. Is that correct?
Oh, yeah. Everything is being prepared in the pure ghee. So, yeah.
That was a little sneak peek for behind the scene in terms of food, but let's find out what the event actually holds and what its significance are. Hello, what's your name and where are you from?
Hi Satsar ji, my name is Vrinder Das. I am from Haryana, Karnal.
I see a number of people here with great enthusiasm. So can you just explain about what actually Avataran Divas is and why it holds such great significance in all the devotees' life?
Oh really, this is very interesting question. 75 years ago, Jagat Guru Tattvadarshi Sant Rampalji Maharaj came on this earth. This day is most important for all over the world. And because Jagat Guru Tattvadarshi Sant Rampalji Maharaj give us the real worship of real God and show the real path to us. And Sant Rampalji Maharaj told us what is the actual way of living. And Sant Rampalji Maharaj gave us spiritual knowledge on the base of all holy books and scriptures of all religions.
That's truly interesting, and thank you for covering that. Hi, would you introduce yourself to us and our audience, please?
Yeah, myself Manpreet Singh.
As we look towards our left, we see a big pictogram indicating Hariyaye Haryaninu. Would you explain what that actually means?
First of all, I would like to clarify you that today is the Samagam of our Guruji Sant Rampalji Maharaj, which is celebrated as Avtaran Divas on 8th September. And this picture indicates that the true God, which is Kabir Sahib, like as Sant Rampalji Maharaj has taught from all the scriptures that the true God, supreme God is Kabir Sahib Ji, and Kabir Sahib Ji has now taken avatar in the form of Sant Rampalji Maharaj to just to tell all his devotees and all the whole world that how we can get salvation according to doing the true worship. So Hariyaye Haryaninu means that we can get true salvation because Sant Rampalji Maharaj Ji has taken Avtaran in Haryana, which is a state of India. Thank you.
Now that you said about how he's appeared in Haryana, could you back it up by a few proofs so that it's more clear to us and our audience?
Yes. So Haryana, which is a state in India, Sant Rampalji Maharaj is the true Sant who is he tells the knowledge according to all the scriptures, and the knowledge he's giving right now is only given by true God, who is Kabir Sahib Ji. Kabir Sahib Ji is the supreme God. He's the supreme God according to all the scriptures, and Sant Rampalji Maharaj Ji is giving the knowledge same as Kabir Sahib Ji. Today, right now, there are different proofs and there are different things which clarify that Sant Rampalji Maharaj Ji is the only Sant in this whole world who gives right knowledge, and he is right now in Haryana, and he has taken a birth on 8th September 1951, which clears us all that the only Sant who can give salvation to all the whole universe is only Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj.
Thank you for clarifying that to us. We're still in talk with devotees of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, hearing their experiences. Can you introduce yourself to our viewer, please?
My name is Namneet Kaur.
So, out of all the pictograms, we see one with different images collaged together. This image of simple homes and intimate gathering tells a story. How did such humble beginning evolve into the global mission we see today?
Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, born 8 September 1951. He started his spiritual journey at very young age, and he used to go house to house to deliver the true knowledge of God Kabir. Then he opened many ashrams such as Jinda Ashram, Barwala, Grantha, and now spreading the knowledge all over the world. During this journey, many people against him, but Sant Rampal Ji never stopped. And now the knowledge and true worship spreading over the world. So during the journey, the people take initiation from the Sant Rampal Ji and many of the platforms such as social media and book seva. So gathering the knowledge, people get into the touch to read the book, and during the YouTube, listen to satsang. So now in whole world, spreading all over the world, and he provide true and correct way of the worship according to our holy books. Satsang.
Many people might also have a question and query that despite not being physically involved in all these campaigns and all these activities he has been doing, his knowledge and his followers have been increasing thousands and thousands year after year. What do you think? Why do you think it is getting so big?
During this journey, Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj and all the followers follow the true knowledge regarding our holy books, and as such a good human being, as such a kind of humble people, they follow all the rules and all the people's giving and spreading the knowledge regarding our spiritually, but as well as the good person. So how to make the people's living style, standard of living, everything, and whatever to get rid of the poverty as well, so they can being a happy in our universe, and took an initiation from the God Paramatma Kabir Sahib, and doing the way of worship, correct way of worship. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We have another devotee of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj as we are in talk about his new initiatives, Annapurna Muhim. But let's begin with your introduction first.
So Sahib, my name is Rajat Das. I live in Toronto for almost 10 years, although I'm from Karnal, Haryana.
We got a little glimpse about what Annapurna Muhim truly was, and a prior devotee talked about how it's about food, shelter, and clothing, but I believe there must be a deeper meaning to it. Would you like to elaborate it a little more, please?
So Sahib, I'll try to elaborate as much as possible. So Annapurna Muhim has been started by our Guruji Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. Under this Muhim, or under this reform, we're trying to provide meals to the people who have been deprived of food. So as per this, and as per the instructions from Guruji, our devotees, they go out and they do a survey, and they look for the people who've been sleeping hungry, or they can also reach out and to our ashram number as well. And a team of devotees then go to the places and organize langars, and we make sure that they don't sleep without food.
Thank you for explaining that to us.
Sat Sahib, Sat Sahib.
We are continuing the conversation series. Could you introduce yourself to us, please?
Yes, Sat Sahib ji, my name is Yudhvir Das, and I am living in Toronto since last 3 years. Basically, I am from Hisar, Haryana.
Despite all these good activities and social goods that Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj has been doing, we often see him being surrounded by controversies, and a lot of controversies to be precise. What is your take on that?
Yeah, Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj is the only true spiritual leader around the world at the present time, and he is also a social reformer. And you are saying that why is in so controversy? He is in so controversy because the fake preachers are misleading the devotees by spreading fake news. But Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj has provided every proofs to prove them wrong, that they are misleading the innocent devotees. But right now, everyone is educated, and all the holy scriptures are in front of us. We can easily find what is true, what is wrong. So everyone is understanding his knowledge and taking his shelter, and soon all controversies will transform into respect for him, and he will be honored worldwide.
We know there might be fake rumors and narratives and articles about him in all different media sites and in the internet as well. So where can we find, if somebody wants to know about Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj in real and what he actually is and what he's actually preaching about, where can somebody find about him?
Yeah, there is a website www.jagatgururampalji.org, and you can also download their website from Google Play Store, which is called Sant Rampal Ji app, and you can find any proof there. And apart from this, you can also get true spiritual book based on real proofs from our spiritual books like Gita in Hinduism, and Bible in Christianity, Quran in Muslim, and all proofs from these books have been printed in these books. And like Gyan Ganga, Jine Kira, you can order their book online. And apart from this, you can find any proofs and knowledge on their website. It is very easy to read Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj and take initiation from them.
Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj is in jail. If he is so powerful and true, then why can't he be relieved?
Yeah, good question. Being in jail is the holy divine of God Kabir Dev himself in the form of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. And there is no power that can prison God. It is the holy divine of God Kabir himself. And if we talk about why is he in jail, because they are fighting against the corrupt system. They are going to change the whole world by their spiritual knowledge. And if you are saying that why is he in jail, why is he not coming out, this holy day will come soon. And if you see the situation right now, there were 14 fake cases about Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, and out of 14, he has received clean sheet in 11 cases. And recently, last week, in two cases, High Court suspended their imprisonment. Right now, only one case is left, and the day will arrive soon when Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj will come and lead the world spiritually. So this day will come soon.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We are now at 100 Commuter Drives, Brampton, where the heart of the celebration of 75th Avtaran Divas is going to unfold. In front of me, there are hundreds of Bhagat already ready and lined up in proper manner to listen to the spiritual disclosure by their spiritual leader, Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. Behind me, you'll see the main setup where we have everything ready for the celebration to begin. We have a spot where they can bow to their Kabir Sahib Ji, and we have a screen ready where they are going to listen to all this spiritual disclosure today. And talking about the location is full with big pictures and pictograms depicting several life stories of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, from Annapurna Muhim to Guru lineage, to all the prophecies that backs up why Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj is the true spiritual leaders. Moving forward, you'll be looking at clips from how the event had been organized, how all the devotees peacefully and calmly enjoyed their spiritual discourse, and we would also be showing you clips about the communal feast that is the main highlight of the event. Communal feast, also known as Bhandara, what all they have prepared for the Bhandara, like we showed you in the behind the scene. As you can see around me, they have already begun their communal feast. On my left, you would see the women's and female side, and on my right would be the male side. They would just have to sit down here, and the volunteer, which they also call as Sevadar, come and then serve meal for them. As you can see, they are all ready. They're having their meal peacefully. They have a glass of water, a plate with everything on their side.
संकट मोचन कष्ट हरण हो, मंगल करण कबीर के आगे शरण तेरी। संकट मोचन कष्ट हरण हो, मंगल करण कबीर के आगे शरण तेरी। पहले तो मोहे ज्ञान नहीं था, प्रेम बनाना तेरे में। पहले तो मोहे ज्ञान नहीं था, प्रेम बनाना तेरे में। दीन जान के माफ कीजियो, ये खता हुई बिन बेरे में। दीन जान के माफ कीजियो, खता हुई बिन बेरे में। अनगिन अवगुण भरे मेरे में, माफ करो तकसीर के आगे शरण तेरी। संकट मोचन कष्ट हरण हो, मंगल करण कबीर के आगे शरण तेरी। ये जम्बुक वाली रैन 84, आन गिरा हूँ झेरे में। या जम्बुक वाली रात 84, आन गिरा हूँ झेरे में। ऊंची ऊंची लाई छलांगा, यत्न किए बहु तेरे में। ऊंची ऊंची लाई छलांगा, यत्न किए बहु तेरे में। काम क्रोध अहंकार लोभ की, ये मोटी जड़ी जंजीर के आगे शरण तेरी। संकट मोचन कष्ट हरण हो, मंगल करण कबीर के आगे शरण तेरी। कर्म कुसंगत बहुत किए, वो जाते हैं नहीं कहे। आके आप संभालो दाता, 84 में जाह बहे। आके आप संभालो दाता, 84 में जाह बहे। जन्म मरण के कष्ट सहे, अब मिटो जन की पीर के आगे शरण तेरी। संकट मोचन कष्ट हरण हो, मंगल करण कबीर के आगे शरण तेरी। गुप्त रूप से सब काज सारते, जो भी विपता आने पड़े। गुप्त रूप से सर्व काज सारते, जो भी विपता आने पड़े। एक दिन दर्शन देने होंगे, दीन दयाल न्यो नहीं सरे। एक दिन दर्शन देने होंगे, दीन दयाल न्यो नहीं सरे। तुम बिन पापी नहीं तेरे मेरा, अवगुण भरा शरीर के आगे शरण तेरी। संकट मोचन कष्ट हरण हो, मंगल करण कबीर के आगे शरण तेरी। प्रेमी पक्षी दुखी होते हैं, जब बिछड़ जा रैन पड़े। प्रेमी पक्षी दुखी होते हैं, जब बिछड़ जा रैन पड़े। हम युगों युगों के बिछुड़े फिरते, कैसे अब मन धीर धरे। हम युगों युगों के बिछुड़े फिरते, कैसे अब मन धीर धरे। जैसे जल बिन मीन मरे मेरी, ऐसी हुई तासीर के आगे शरण तेरी। संकट मोचन कष्ट हरण हो, मंगल करण कबीर के आगे शरण तेरी। रजा तेरी से दादू नानक जी का, सत्यलोक में वास हुआ। रजा तेरी से दादू नानक जी का, सत्यलोक में वास हुआ। 100 प्रश्न उत्तर कीने, तब धर्मदास के विश्वास हुआ। 100 प्रश्न उत्तर कीने तब धर्मदास के विश्वास हुआ। भगत के कारण खवास हुआ, जागी सुल्तानी की तकदीर के आगे शरण तेरी। संकट मोचन कष्ट हरण हो, मंगल करण कबीर के आगे शरण तेरी। हिरण वाला पैर उलझा लिया, पड़ मोह माया के चक्कर में। हिरण वाला पैर उलझिया, पड़ मोह माया के चक्कर में। अब मोह ज्ञान हुआ, मैं आ गया इस काल बली के टक्कर में। अब मोह ज्ञान हुआ, मैं आ गया इस काल बली के टक्कर में। हरदम तेरा करूं जिक्र में, आन पड़ी मोह भीड़ के आजे शरण तेरी। संकट मोचन कष्ट हरण हो, मंगल करण कबीर के आगे शरण तेरी। पावचनों के लालच में या बंदर वाली मूठ गही। पावचनों के लालच में या बंदर वाली मूठ गही। मूठ खुले ना जान बचे ना, हे साहिब या कौन भई। मूठ खुले ना जान बचे ना, हे साहिब या कौन भई। रामपाल सतगुरु शरण लई, इब खाई शब्द दूध की खीर के आगे शरण तेरी। संकट मोचन कष्ट हरण हो, मंगल करण कबीर के आगे शरण तेरी।
From vibrant preparation to serene atmosphere inside, despite being hundreds of devotees right now having their communal meal and listening to spiritual discourse, today's event has truly been a divine one and definitely one of a kind. This event has not only been here in Canada, but it also went very peacefully among thousands of people back in India and in Nepal as well. In the materialistic world where people are running after money, fame and whatnot, Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj has made sure to plant a root on what humanity actually is among the people, and he had made sure young and old are alike. He had made sure we learn about true spirituality, true freedom, equality and what salvation actually is and how we can attain it. With that, we end our coverage for today and stay tuned to get more update with SA News Canada.